Before we jump in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your support helps us keep creating valuable content to boost your financial success in today's economy. Now, let's get started. YouTube automation has emerged as one of the most compelling strategies for generating passive income online. The appeal of this method lies in its remarkably low initial investment and the flexibility it offers. You only need to dedicate a few hours each day to manage your channel, and you can do so from virtually anywhere in the world. This accessibility makes YouTube automation an attractive option for anyone looking to build a side income or even a full-time career. However, despite its potential, many well-known YouTube experts market their high-priced courses with promises of rapid success if you follow their specific strategies. The truth, however, is that these influencers often provide incomplete information, leaving out critical details that are essential for achieving real success. To genuinely thrive and maximize your earnings, you must focus on three fundamental elements: identifying a profitable niche, producing high-quality videos, and maintaining a consistent upload schedule. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I offer in-depth guidance on selecting profitable niches and creating compelling content. Therefore, your main task is to stay consistent with your video production efforts to build and grow your channel effectively. In today's video, I'll be sharing one of the most promising niches for generating passive income on YouTube. By the end of this video, you will have the insights and tools needed to produce at least 4 videos per week within this niche. I'm providing all this information at no cost, so you can decide whether to implement these methods or explore other avenues. To illustrate the potential of this approach, consider a YouTube channel that has accumulated approximately 860,000 subscribers with just 64 videos. This channel likely generates around $2,000 per month from AdSense revenue alone. The niche in question focuses on various countries, delving into unique aspects, intriguing facts, and unusual phenomena. This educational niche tends to engage audiences effectively, making it a highly promising option. Let's dive deeper into the process of creating videos for this niche. The first step is to compile a comprehensive list of video ideas. To accomplish this, utilize ChatGPT with a specific prompt to generate a range of ideas. I'll provide the exact prompt in the comments section below for your convenience. You can use these ideas as they are, or tailor them to fit your unique style and creativity. Once you have a robust list of video ideas, the next phase is to focus on creating the actual content. This process is more straightforward than it might seem. For this demonstration, I'll use Skool Video AI, a tool renowned for its effectiveness in producing long-form educational videos. Skool Video AI offers several valuable services, including converting ideas into structured video scripts. For our example, we'll utilize the idea to video feature. Start by entering your chosen video topic. For instance, let's focus on Norway. You can select the duration of your video. For this demonstration, I'll opt for a 5-minute length, although shorter videos can also be effective depending on your content strategy. After choosing the landscape option, select from over 50 available languages. This feature allows you to create content in multiple languages, significantly expanding your potential audience. Once the video is generated, you can review each scene to ensure it meets your quality standards and make any necessary adjustments. A significant advantage of using Skool Video AI is that all video materials produced are copyright-free. This ensures you can monetize your content without facing legal complications. If you need to replace any clips, you can use the replace option to swap them out. Additionally, you can customize the AI-generated voiceover by selecting from a variety of male and female voices and applying your chosen voice to all clips. To further enhance the visual appeal of your video, navigate to the settings menu where you can adjust the caption style. This includes modifying the font, size, color, and position of the text to align with your brand's aesthetic. To further elevate your video's quality, consider integrating additional footage. For this, Google Earth Studio is an excellent tool. It's a free platform that provides high-quality 3D video clips of locations around the globe. After signing up, follow these steps. Select the Quick Start option, choose a camera shot type, and create clips by entering the specific location, in this case Norway. Adjust the starting point of the camera, set the clip duration, preview it, and then render it. Create several clips from different camera angles to add variety and depth to your video. Once rendered, download these clips from your cloud storage. Return to Pool Video and upload these clips to replace the existing ones in your project. You can add transitions between clips to ensure a smooth visual flow and apply filters if desired to enhance the overall look and feel. After completing the editing process, export the video in your preferred resolution and download it. For instance, you might begin your video with an engaging introduction about Norway's breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Transition into an in-depth exploration of the midnight sun, a captivating natural phenomenon that has fascinated people for centuries. Providing a comprehensive and engaging narrative will keep your viewers intrigued and encourage them to return for more content. Pool Video AI offers a free plan, giving you the opportunity to explore its capabilities at no cost. It's important to understand that YouTube automation is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, strategic planning, and consistent effort. Immediate success or viral fame with your first few videos is unlikely. Instead, focus on consistently producing high-quality content and continuously refining your approach based on feedback and performance. Building a successful YouTube channel demands patience and perseverance. With a well-thought-out strategy and ongoing effort, you can achieve substantial growth and success. A key aspect of maintaining consistency is developing a content calendar. This calendar will help you plan and organize your video uploads, ensuring that you maintain a regular posting schedule. Consistency is crucial for building an audience and keeping them engaged. Additionally, consider using analytics tools to track your video performance. These tools can provide valuable insights into which types of content resonate most with your audience and help you make data-driven decisions to optimize your content strategy. Furthermore, engaging with your audience is an essential part of growing your YouTube channel. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that addresses your viewers' interests and concerns. Building a strong community around your channel can foster loyalty and encourage viewers to return to your content regularly. In conclusion, today's video has provided an in-depth exploration of selecting a profitable niche, creating engaging content, and utilizing tools like Pool Video AI to streamline the video production process. By following these strategies and maintaining a commitment to quality and consistency, you can build a successful YouTube channel and generate passive income. I hope you found this information both informative and actionable. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Your feedback and engagement are important to me. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video where we'll continue exploring effective strategies and tips for achieving YouTube success. Together, we'll build on these insights to help you reach your goals and maximize your potential on YouTube.